To find a class notebook that your teachers created for you, the first step is really to launch a web browser. So I'm going to click on Google Chrome right here. And then I'm going to go to the Squalicum High School homepage and click on Office 365. To log in here, staff emails look a little bit different, but it's the same login with the zeros that you use to get into the computer at bellinghamschools.org with the same password. Once you're into Office 365, you'll see this large dashboard of icons. You're going to click on OneNote. And then you're going to bring the cursor over to Class Notebooks and click on Class Notebooks. From here, you will see which notebooks have been shared with you. Make sure you click the correct notebook for the correct class. So if you're taking Algebra 2 from Jamie Hager, you're going to click right here and click on the notebook. Once you've opened the notebook on the web browser, the last thing you want to do is make sure you click Open in OneNote. And then you're going to pick the app. So you're going to check this box and then hit Open Pick an App. And make sure you click OneNote 2016 and hit OK. And one last time, it'll ask you to log in with your email. And at this point, it will load the notebook. And you've successfully moved the notebook into your OneNote on the desktop. From now on, if you need to access this notebook, all you have to do is go to the Windows icon and click on OneNote.